Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Bitfinex, full guide step by step clearly. To begin budgeting with Bitfinex, first, create an account if you don't already have one. Visit the Bitfinex website and click on the sign up button. Fill in the required information to complete your registration. Once your account is set up, log in using your credentials. Next, navigate to the wallet section of your account dashboard. Take a moment to review your current balances across different cryptocurrencies. After familiarizing yourself with your balances, determine your budgeting goals. Identify how much you want to allocate to each category, like trading, savings, or next, visit the Trading tab to explore the different trading options available. Familiarize yourself with market trends and the current movements of the cryptocurrencies you are interested in. Make use of the order book section to see real-time buy and sell offers. Once you understand the market dynamics, decide how much of your budget you want to invest. Use half of your budget for long-term holds and the other half for short-term trading strategies. Set up alerts for the cryptocurrencies you're interested in to stay informed of price changes. After establishing your budget, utilize the portfolio feature to track your investments over time. Regularly update your portfolio to reflect market changes and your current holdings. Consider setting a review date, perhaps once a week, to assess your budget and performance. If necessary, readjust your budget categories based on your trading results and market conditions. Finally, remain disciplined about sticking to your budget to achieve your financial goals on Bitfinex. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.